back at the airport. Ooh, look at the helicopter. God, that, ooh, I know what that helicopter's about. Look at that. Freaking look at that. Just look at these beautiful red skies tonight. Wow. My gosh, what are they even doing to the poor helicopter? Like trying to destroy it or something? Oh, there they go. Peter apparently pushing the helicopter back into a hangar. There he goes. There goes the helicopter. That's cool. That's so cool. Look at that. Just look at that. There the heck he goes. Bye guys. I also have a black jacket in my karate. Just finally got it. One last look at the red skies. Look at those red skies. They're pretty. They're very beautiful. No, I don't want to end looking at these. Wow, they're almost gone. And I also want to show you guys this Embraer 175 coming in for landing. I said man, not mom. Where is he even heading? Oh my gosh, that's a big face. One more look at the sky.
You would prefer...
Bye guys. And here's another plane. Oh, come on. Right there. Big Daddy.